Okay, so a little nervous right now because I was afraid about the situation. I've been to the doctor. I found out that I've got to get a whooping cough shot, and no one around here in Conway wants to give it to me because of COVID. Talked to pharmacies, talked to doctors, been to a doctor, and no one wants to do it. So I've got my sister on FaceTime right here, and kiddos, she's a nurse. I've talked to one of the former players that's a nurse, Jag, and they have all suggested to just do it myself, and then I'm looking at the needle. It's a little thicker than I prefer, to go straight in. And anyways, a little nervous right now, I'm not gonna lie. I'm hiding it as best I can. Okay,
you're doing a good job. You're not.
So this, what is this called, Laura?
The acromion process.
So my chromium process here, it's right in here, okay? And what I did, I was supposed to find about 2 fingers below that. And it's really difficult. I've got a lot of muscle right here, and so it's hard to find this. So what I did okay, so what I did is I found the meaty part of this, and I got a pencil or pin mark right there. Now, let me show you this real fast while I've got it. It came in this. The needle did, and the syringe. Well, the syringe, I guess. Is the syringe and the needle the same thing?
Yes.
Nope.
Ava, you can't be lying to me. This is life and death situation right now with the whooping cough. I did find out also within this is got the tetanus. This got a tetanus shot in there. What?
Diphtheria.
Diphtheria.
No,
Tetanus and pertussis.
Okay, I'm going to speak to the professional.
I've already had it done.
But you didn't know. They didn't talk to you about this. I know you had it done.
You're getting professional advice.
He doesn't want to listen to me at all, ever. So
this still has
Mississippi.
it has our Mississippi address in there.
What?
Roman, I think you're talking too much trash to me right now. I'm just kidding. I'm a little nervous. I need confidence, not.
You're getting some advice.
It's payback right now. Okay, so
Clean the spot.
cleaning the spot. I've got a nice little pin mark. That's what happened to this side. A little pin mark there. Action.
Oh God.
Okay. Giggles.
Work laugh.
Yeah, they call that elbow slap. Okay, so I took this cap thing off and then screwed this needle. What's the syringe though? What is?
Yes.
That's the syringe. Okay, I thought that was like a cartridge. I don't know what this is for. It looks like it slides. This part right here slides out. This little orange.
You can't see.
It looks like this slides out.
After she gives the injection, you'll slide that up, and it covers the needle.
Oh.
It's like a safety thing after you get the shot.
After I get the shot, so I can throw this in the regular trash.
Yeah, since you probably don't have a sharps container in your house.
Oh.
Since they sent it home with us.
Yes.
Okay.
Slide that cap up, and it covers the needle.
Okay, so I can slide this up right now, right? Not that. Don't be touching this.
Pull the clear cap straight off.
Clear clap.
Straight up.
Clear
Straight
clap.
up. Oh, look at that.
Son, go, that thing big now. That's 1.5 inches.
You gonna feel it?
My fingers have grown since I was in the 5th grade, Ava. This is.
Other side.
That is a thick mother.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
Oh my God, I'm so nervous right now. You gotta do this. Are you okay to do this?
Yeah.
Close your eyes. Sing the ABCs. Think about your child.
Okay, so.
I just need you to be still and be like.
We'll go step by step.
Now, okay, here's my question. That they gave me the right amount inside of this syringe part, right?
Correct. You just
Like, there's no.
You just empty it out.
There's no
Yes.
measurements on here.
There doesn't need to be.
I feel like they probably measured
Yes,
it.
they did the dosage.
Guys, my name is John Newberry. It is June the 6th.
I have have a recruiting phone call in 15 minutes.
p.m. right now, Central Time. I live in Conway, Arkansas, and I got this at Walgreens on Oak Street.
It's also the 8th.
Oh, I thought it was the 6th.
It's at 8.
Nope.
Is it tomorrow's Tuesday?
Correct. Okay, don't.
All right, just
no,
send that
you
over.
gotta let it.
Yep, there it is. There.
You're gonna waste it.
Don't waste it. That needs to go in your body.
Okay.
Give it to Brittany.
Oh, I'm scared.
Are you ready?
I'm gonna do my best.
Oh, you got to get a good shot of this. Oh my God, I'm so.
Relax.
Ah!
Relax your arm.
I'm trying. My heart is racing. I had high blood pressure today.
Okay, now
You're making it as
technique-wise,
Uncle
technique.
John, this is all for Kingston. All
This
for,
is all
true.
for Kingston.
You can do
all
it.
for him.
This is.
I swear to God, if you miss,
How am I gonna miss?
I don't like this.
Hey, John, put your arm down.
Down. Yes.
Put your
Let
elbow
it
down
rest.
and relax
Yeah.
it.
Okay, now my technique needs to be.
No, you don't put your thumb on
It
there.
needs to be quick and fast, right? Like not
Yes,
like
like a dart.
like a dart.
Like a dart?
Yes.
We're not throwing it.
No, it really does.
Okay.
I knew that.
Not like.
How many pounds of pressure does she need to apply for it to penetrate my skin and go through my...
12.3.
Is that for real?
To go through your flesh.
Look, I'm literally going
Oh.
to just like
She said
jab.
12.3.
Yes.
I just need to make sure I don't like
Oh my God, I'm so...
jab and pull.
It's gonna go through your flesh,
Hey,
Uncle John.
you're
Through
gonna have
your
to be-
skin and
you're
through
gonna
I'm
have
not gonna jerk.
No,
Hey,
but like
and
you're
through your
tense.
bones.
I'm not.
You look
Your
tense
nose.
right now.
That's my natural physique. I've always been ripped like this all of my life. Haven't I, Laura?
Lies.
Okay, so I'm going on the money.
Oh God.
Yeah,
Okay.
on the money.
Are you gonna chill?
Ah!
Can you sit back?
No, I don't want to sit back.
You have to be still.
You're like really like up on me here. Okay.
Come
You're
here.
I swear to God.
So, Brittany, use your
do what?
right hand up like that. Like, no,
Oh, up high.
not like this, but, yep. Spread that skin apart. Like, hold it tight and fire in the hole. Woo!
We did it! Good job!
I'm
Brittany
feeling
Newberry.
I'm feeling
RN,
lightheaded. Ow, that really does hurt.
I know.
Certified. Rub it in. Rub it
Hold
in.
on.
Rub it in real hard.
Harder.
And then try to just flip that orange thing up.
You're supposed to blow on it, right?
No.
Okay,
Isn't that what?
Shirt's coming down. I was
You
trying
guys
to
have
do
any
both.
lollipops?
I don't know how to flip it.
Here, I'll do this part.
How do you flip it?
Well, I'm not sure. Maybe push it straight up. I'm not real
Oh, there you go.
Oh my!
sure. Maybe pushes. Okay.
Yeah.
It's magic.
It
Uncle
is
John,
magic.
you guys have any lollipops?
I know. He deserves a cookie or something.
Oh, she got it right on the dot though. Bullseye.
Ribbon.
Nice
I
job.
don't know why you question me.
Well, I just that much looking though.
This is a great memory.
It's not like actively bleeding, is it?
No, it stopped. I
I'm
mean,
about to
it's
pass
barely-
out because it's literally dripping down my arm.
Really?
I'm
Let's-
kidding.
No, it's not.
No, it's not doing anything. I
I
have
can get a Band-Aid.
I have a high level of hemoglobins.
Oh my gosh.
He talks a lot of
Hey, John,
crap.
what's a hemoglobin?
It's the things.
Exactly.
It's a membrane around the cells that expand and fill your blood vessels to help it coagulate so it can stop.
Hey, sweetheart, do you need a Band-Aid?
Cool.
I don't-
Yes, give him a band-aid.
Oh my
and a
goodness.
kiss.
You never kissed it. Just kidding. Don't do
A
that.
band-aid and a kiss. John, you're gonna want to move that arm around.
Right now. Should,
Well, no, like throughout the next couple days.
okay. So I got a shot, and this is what it looks like now. So I can safely throw this away. That's pretty safe.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, so we've been talking to these guys the whole entire time. So it's been good. Oh, we're back. I'm
I'm sorry. I'm being your nurse right now.
Wow.
Okay. Is that a Mickey Mouse one?
We don't have that. We don't have those shenanigans
We
in our
need to
house
get
yet.
prepared. We're having a child in less than a month.
Wait till he starts watching Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
Oh, well,
Okay.
Fury.
it is finished.
Nurse sister, thank you.
Seriously.
Brittany, you're a jerk.
What? I
Okay.
saved you, sir. We can throw that away.
I can go.
Throw that away.
Throw this away.
You did a great job.
Thank you for the instructions.
Okay, now
AK?
what is the number to the poison control? 911.
One.
You flush
That
your eyes
wasn't bad
out.
at all.
Pretty good.
That was not bad.
High five. I'm not. It started to become a little sore now.
Listen, it's gonna be sore for like
You're gonna be real.
Yeah,
And that won't
days.
be her fault.
She went pretty. Really got that there.
I
Would
darted
you
it
rather have gone in
What'd that feel like?
real slow
like I
and
was meant to do it all along.
Oh, well. Can you hand me the cap there? Thank you. Okay.
Here's everything you need to know. Here.
I made ice cream before we did this, so in case
Oh,
it's homemade ice cream, pretty excited about it.
That's his treat.
That's my treat.
That's
I'm gonna
his
eat
treat.
4 quarts of it. Probably need to go check my blood pressure now.
no stickers.
Yeah, we need to discuss his blood
Okay.
pressure, Laura.
That was it.
Good job, hun.
Your blood pressure.
We made it.
We made it.